Hi, welcome to Angelina's Toy Time, where there's a surprise toy at the end of every video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and here's another awesome video. Okay, George, we are back from the store, and I grabbed your soda and I got my water, so we can enjoy it in the treehouse. Let's go. Oh, thank you, Peppa. I'm so thirsty. This looks so good. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna drink it all at once. Gulp, 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 gulp. Gulp, 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 gulp. Gulp, 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 gulp. Gulp, gulp. George, you should really slow down. Gulp, 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 gulp. Gulp, 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 gulp. Oh, George, what's wrong with you? Oh, Peppa, I have the hiccups now. What am I gonna do, Peppa? Oh, George, I told you, you shouldn't be drinking that stuff. Every time you drink that stuff, it does something to you. Oh, Peppa, what should I do? How could I get rid of them? I don't know. I think if you could try to drink some water. Do you want to try to drink some of my water? Anything, Peppa, at this point would be better. Here, give me the water. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Peppa, it's not working. It made it worse. Hey, I don't know what to tell you, George. I told you not to drink that stuff. Oh, George, you sound so silly. Peppa, stop making fun of me. What are we gonna do? Come on, let's go see what Daddy says. Okay, come on, George, you big baby. Let's go.
What is all that racket?
Oh, Daddy, I have the hiccups. I can't get them to go away. Yes, Daddy. He's been doing this for like 20 minutes outside now. We tried everything. We tried water and, well, I guess that's all we really tried. We don't really know anything else. That's why we came to you, Daddy. Can you help him? It's pretty annoying. I'm sorry. I wanted to go away too, Daddy. What should I do?
Well, George, did you try holding your breath?
No. Can I try that? Sorry. I'll try that.
Yes, try that. Hold your breath and count to 20. Try 10.
Yes, Daddy, I can't count to 20. I can only count to 10. I'm not even in 3rd grade yet. How am I supposed to count that high? What do you think? Okay, here we go. Oh, wait. I think they might be gone. No, they're not gone. This is driving me crazy. Driving you crazy. I've been listening to this forever now. Oh my gosh. I'm going this way. Oh, what can I do, Daddy?
George, you might want to try to put some sugar under your tongue. I heard that works pretty good.
Okay. And how long is it going to take for this sugar under my tongue to work?
Oh, I don't know. Should be pretty soon.
Oh, come on, brother. It's still going on. You still have the hiccups. After all this time. Gosh, I've been upstairs for 15 minutes. I come down and you still have the hiccups. Oh, you know what, Peppa? I think it's gone. It might be gone. It is gone. Hey, Daddy, that worked.
Oh, see? I told you Daddy's still got some tricks up his sleeve. I'm not just a old kook like you say with your sister sometimes.
Oh, Daddy, you know we're just playing around. We love you. Thank you so much. That was ruining our play day. So now we can go have fun. Thank you, Daddy. And thank you, kids at home, for watching our video. We will see you guys next time. Stay tuned for the surprise toy. Thank you. Bye. Thanks for tuning in to
Enjoy the toy time!
And for today's surprise toy, we have a baby shark mashup. So there's all kinds of different sharks you could get, and we're gonna get something cool, and you can watch us get it. What color do you want? What shark, babe? Angelina?
Baby shark.
What? You want the baby one, the yellow one, I think? Oh, what is he? He is orange. So which one's the orange one? I don't know. You tell me. You know more than me. Oh, it's Grandma Shark. Grandma Shark. All right. Well, don't forget to subscribe and like our videos, and we will see you next time with another awesome video. Thanks. Bye.